Alright then, Isaiah 60 verse 1. The Bible says, arise and shine for the light has come. Get it in, baby, the light. Acoustic version. Title of the song is Arise and Shine. Rise up again, rise up and reign. Hear me, rise up again, rise up and reign. Because the power of the risen King, alright, lies in the inside of you. Because the power of the risen King, who can, lies in the inside of you. Alright, rise up again, rise up and reign. Smile now, rise up again, rise up and reign. Cause the power of the risen King, who God, lies in the inside of you. Cause the power of the risen King lies in the inside of you. The power of the risen, power of the risen, the power of the risen is in you, okay? The power of the risen, the power of the risen, the power of the risen in you. Arise and shine for the light has come. Isaiah 60 verse 1. Jesus said don't die. Arise and shine. Get it in with the light. The Jesus way, you know. Love, the Jesus way.